So on a 9'9" and an 11'9" steel bodies, they have a single fold-down side. When you go to a 12'9" and a 13'9", they come with twin fold-down sides and a center removable post that once you open the two doors, the post lifts out and you have a complete open span for loading and unloading larger objects on and off the side of the truck. So the functionality of the fold-down sides on the Voth truck bodies, the functionality is the same whether it's manufactured out of steel or whether it's manufactured out of aluminum. Functionality is the same. We have two stainless steel self-locking latches that hold the doors, and then you fold them down. The door drops down below floor level, so when they're sliding skids on and off, they're not going to hit and damage the fold-down sides. So all the hinges have grease fittings on them, so they're always working nice. And then to lock, you set gravity-fed latches. You lock them, and they will automatically always stay locked because you have to lift it to open it up.